Good morning. It's the middle of May. The Jeep's on a trailer, and you know what that means. I am loaded up. We are heading to Ohio to the Spring Willys Reunion. I'll be there with Kaiser Willys at the Kaiser Willys booth, so make sure you stop by and say hi, find out how to win some awesome prizes and Kaiser merchandise. See you at the reunion. So it's now Friday morning, which is sort of the official start of the show. We're heading out to the field to get the Kaiser Willys table all set up and see what new Jeeps have arrived overnight. Coffee time first. Alright, so it's pretty early Friday morning. It's out here getting some stuff unloaded and get set up. It's Friday, almost lunchtime. We're gonna take a little walk. We've been hanging out at the Kaiser Willys booth. Got Andrea here giving me a hand. Lots of new Jeeps since my last lap, so we're gonna take a walk and see what's here. Let's roll. Ready?
Right.
Out on the back roads where the dust kicks high, there's a Jeep from 47 still ready to ride. But when the trails get rough and the parts wear thin, Kaiser Willys is the place where the journey begins. From flat fender classics to a CJ Dream, they've got the hard to find pieces to keep you running clean. Every bolt, every bracket, every gear you need, built for the long haul, built for Jeepers Creed. Kaiser Willys, keeping the legends alive, helping every Willys Jeep survive. If you're crawling up a mountain or cruising down Main, they'll get you rolling strong again. Yeah, Kaiser Willys, where the old souls drive, keeping history shifting into overdrive.
That was a chore to get in there. I ordered it online somewhere. I can do about it. How's that?
Keeping the legends alive, helping every Willys Jeep survive. From trail to town, they're the name you trust. Or every part sorted, big or small, or covered in rust. Oh, Kaiser Willys, let the good times drive, with Willys spirit forever alive.
Alright, so this is very exciting. This yellow Jeep behind me, this belongs to David Barlow. You may recognize the tires. He was our grand prize winner last year. He won the NGT tires. This was the Jeep that he built for his grandson, and it has the Harbor Freight Predator engine in it. It was just a frame last year. It looks like he's got it all done, so let's go check it out. So that gives you an idea of what's here so far. It's still just Friday, about lunchtime, so I expect a lot more to show up in the next 24 hours. I'm gonna head back to the Kaiser table, and we're working on some prize giveaway entries and handing out catalogs and t-shirts. It's gonna be a great day. Sun is shining. Catch you later. We're lining up. We're going on a little adventure to some sort of museum or something. So everybody's kind of lining up down the road. And we're gonna take a little break from the show and go on a little excursion. Are you ready? So we had a bit of a breakdown on the way to the museum. Not me. Technical difficulties.
Yeah, I guess I peeked in the 80s.
Alright, now we're at the Maps Air Museum, and we got to pull all the Jeeps out right on the runway or tarmac where the airplanes are. Pretty cool. What do you think, Jared? Very cool.
Okay, everybody, heads up! Form on me, right here.
I got a cruise. So, we're talking about the gondola here.
Don't mess it up or we'll recall the whole thing.
Now we're walking over to Bob's Jeep for one of the annual exciting events of making PTO powered ice cream.
Put a little more in?
Yeah, more. Yeah, see, now I got number one.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't bring spoons?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the.
Thank you very much.
Look at the line.
You got it? So good. So good. You ready? All right, wait. Cheap ice cream.
Tastes like gasoline.
At your people. No, stop it.
Just try it.
No.
All right, it's Saturday morning. People are lining up in the field. We're gonna do a slow crawl race. So I'm gonna get some videos of that for you. You may have seen it before on here, but every year we have different Jeeps and we'll see who's the slowest. David, I'm not sure that's fair. Why? So when they do these slow crawl races, the winner is actually the last one to cross the finish line. And our friend David Barlow over here has a little bit of an advantage because he has a Predator powered Jeep that's clearly much slower than the rest.
Well, David, I think the winner is going to be pretty clear on this one.
I don't know where these guys are going.
So what's your final ratio? Do you know?
I haven't actually calculated it, but it's adjustable with throttle.
Yeah.
I mean, I can even go slower.
It stops moving.
Yeah, and then I just make it move. But I know that the torque converter reduces it 4 to 1 on anything the T90 can do.
Okay, so you got reduction after or before the transmission.
Before the transmission. So, yeah, power factor 4.
Pretty slow.
We'll get there tomorrow.
You're not going to get any speeding tickets.
No.
Good job.
Thanks, sir. Appreciate it.
All right, we have a special gift here from Kaiser Willys. We're gonna give it to one of our loyal followers from Brazil. His name's Mauro, and he has a huge Willys collection in Brazil, and he's a big supporter of Kaiser and just a great guy. Does a lot for the Willys community, so I'm gonna go track him down and give him a nice little gift here at the Willys Spring Reunion. I'm here with Mauro from Brazil.
Yeah.
He does a lot for the Jeep community. How many Jeeps do you have in Brazil?
Yeah, today I think I'm not sure, but around 35 Jeeps and 50 Willys brands.
Okay.
Yes.
So quite a collection, and we really have enjoyed your videos, and you're a great supporter of Kaiser and the Jeep community. So Kaiser Willys have put together a little gift for you just to say thank you.
This for me?
This is for you.
You are kidding?
Yep, and there's
man.
There's a shirt and hat in there for her as
amazing.
well.
Thank you, Kaiser Willys. I enjoy a lot and really happy to know me in Brazil and for this gift. I enjoy a lot.
We're
Thanks.
so glad you make the trip, and it's always good
for you.
to see you.
Oh,
yep.
Nice set.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I have 3 gifts from Kaiser Willys Auto Supply. We were going to give them out at the table, but it rained, so after we call the names, we're going to write them down, and you'll have to meet me out at the Kaiser Willys table to collect your prize. All right. Let's pick one at a time. All right, let's see who we got here. Will Reynolds. Alright, so Will, here you go. You win the Willys service manual. Next up is the Carter WO carburetor. Terry Belcher. Alright, Terry, you get the WO carburetor. So come see me over at the truck. Last one is for the front disc brake kit for the Willys Jeep. It's a great prize. Mike Thomas. We have a Mike here. Mike Thomas. All right. Well, folks, that's a wrap on the 2026 Willys Spring Reunion. It was a great year. Sun is still shining. We had great weather. Just thank you to everyone that came out, and a special thanks to everyone who stopped by the Kaiser Willys table to talk to us and check out some parts and get a catalog. We just really appreciate you, and to all the people who put on, host the event, and do all the work that's involved with setting it up. It's a great event. It runs smoothly, and we can really tell how much work you put into it, so thank you for that. So we have a long trip back home to Pennsylvania, and get ready for the next show. So hopefully you can make it here next year to North Canton, Ohio for the Willys Spring Reunion. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.